This is a vintage clock, and it is very, very old. It's got to be at least maybe 60 years old. I don't know. But it has an old plug. Is that polarized? I don't know. But does it work? We're going to find out in a second. Oh, it works. Works great. This is, what brand is this watch clock? There's no information on the back or bottom of it. Okay, the information's in the middle of it. United Unit Time. United Time, Pat's pending, made in USA. So this has to be at least in the maybe 1950s, maybe 30s. I don't know. Back in that. Yeah. So it's old. It's in good condition. But if anybody knows any info on this, let me know. It works great. Yeah. What do you think?